Here's a lining QVT for you. Little common sense sewing. When you're lining a garment, whether it's transparent or a little bit transparent, put it up to the light and see if you can see through it. Pick your lining according to the fabric that you're using. If you're going to use a stark contrast, expect it to darken the fabric just a bit. You can actually see where the black ends. So it really does make a difference what goes under your fabric, whether it's wool or chiffon. Pay attention to the lining that you choose and make sure that it doesn't show through and that doesn't add too much of a contrast to your garment. If I were not to line my jacket and only line my pants, my jacket would be actually a little lighter than my pants. So take your linings in consideration when you're picking them. Hope this helps.